Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the articles. The articles a and the are known as articles. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. They are always placed before the noun. A and an are called indefinite articles. They do not point out any particular or definite person or things. For example, I saw a boy eating an orange. Here, boy and orange may be any boy or any orange, not a particular one. The is called the definite article. It is used when we speak of some particular person, place, or a thing. For example, he put the pen on the book. We have read that a and an are indefinite articles. They are used before countable common nouns in singular form. Let us know their uses. A is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant letter. For example, a dress, a man, a horse, a car, etc. Such vowels which have the sound of U, a union, a useful thing, a European, a university. Such vowels which have the sound of W. For example, a one-eyed man. A singular countable noun which is used as an example of a class mainly when it is mentioned for the first time. For example, if he bought a car, the car is fast. A group of words which is an expression or quantity. A lot of appreciation, a great deal of noise, a dozen bananas, etc. The words expressing certain numbers. For example, 1,000 rupee. The word half when half follows a whole number, otherwise after half. For example, 1.5, 2.5 kilos, half a liter, etc. Nouns used for an exclamation. For example, such a lie, what a misfortune, etc. And is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel. For example, an umbrella, an ugly man, an ox, an Indian, etc. Words beginning with a silent H because they give the sound of a vowel. For example, an hare, an honorable man. Here sound of A and in honorable sound of O. Individual letters spoken with a vowel sound. For example, an MLA, an MP, etc. Remember, we cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns but in phrases. A or an can be used before countable nouns. For example, he drank a glass of milk. He sold a coin of gold. I would like to have a piece of paper. There is an item of news on this case in today's newspaper. Definite articles. There is only one definite article, namely the. We use it to refer to a particular noun. The is used when we refer to some particular person, place, or thing. For example, Syam put the book in the bag. Here, book is a particular thing and bag is a particular thing. When a singular noun is used to denote or represent a whole class. For example, the lion is a noble beast. Before the names of rivers, ranges of mountains and islands, the Ganga, the British Army, before the names of oceans, gulfs, and bays. The Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, etc. Before the names of countries which have the word United or Republic. For example, the United States, the UK. Before the names of public buildings, institutions, associations, and monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Jama Masjid, the University of London, the Parliament House. Before the names of newspapers and magazines, the Times of India, the Indian Times, the Hindustan. Before the names of certain well-known books, the Gita, the Bible. Before the names of people, nations, communities, groups, families, the poor, the French, the Nehrus, etc. Before the names of religions, the Hindus, the Rajputs, etc. Before the names of direction, the sun sets in the west. Before ordinal and superlatives, the 15th of August, Sunday is the first day of the week. He is the shortest man here. Before common nouns, which are names of things that are unique of their kind, the sun, the moon, etc. When we use a proper noun as a common noun, here Shakespeare implies a great dramatist. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Omission of the article. The article a and the is omitted before uncountable nouns is used. Uncountable nouns used in rather a general sense. Example, honor is desirable. Salt is also required by our body. The is used before uncountable nouns when they are used in the particular sense, especially when qualified by an adjective phrase or clause. Would you give me the sugar? I can't forgive the wrong he did to us. Plural nouns. Biscuits are favorite items to eat. Such plural nouns take the with the particular meaning. The biscuits you brought were of good quality. Name of seasons, body parts, games, relations, languages. For example, summers are scorching in Delhi. My favorite subject is English. Trim your hair. India's national game is hockey. Mother gave me milk to drink. Remember, when we speak of a person or a thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article a or an. But when we speak of the same person or thing the second time, we use the definite article the. For example, I saw a painter painting a window. The painter painted the window brown. Here home assignment is given. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next topic. Thank you.